Today, let us learn how to write an article. First, we see what is an article and what is the purpose of writing article. An article is a piece of writing written for a large audience, and the article discusses various stories, persons, locations, rising issues, and technical developments. It may be the topics of interest of the writer, or it may be related to some current issues. After the reader read your article, the reader should get some information on the topic of the article, and the reader should get some suggestions and pieces of advice about the article. The most important thing, after the reader read your article, they should get some suggestions, should influence the readers and urge them to think. An article must be organized in a proper way so that it can draw the attention of the readers. The first one is heading or topic. The heading or topic of the article should be unique and relevant. Just below your topic or heading, you want to write your name, that is, writer's name. Second thing, introduction paragraph. It should be very catching and interesting. The starting paragraph must be highly attentive. We can use some interrogative words, that is, question words. Example, what, when, how. So, for the start. Third thing is descriptive paragraph. In this paragraph, we should write some information or real facts about the topic. For that, we want to gather some information and facts about the topic. It must be in a logical way, and you can advise or suggest and give the solution to your problem. In the conclusion, the last passage after the descriptive paragraph, the last passage is conclusion, that is, ending of the article. Here you want to write your opinion or recommendation, anticipation, or an appeal. It is all in the organized and descriptive manner. The writer can advise or suggest and give the solution to your problem in any paragraph other than the starting one. In the article, there must be three paragraphs in an article. So that is introduction, middle one, and conclusion. We should use the correct, proper punctuation. You can use any tense, persons, voice in the article. These are the steps to write an article. Now let us see some important things we should listen while writing the article. First thing, using of facts or quotes or similar cases are important. Second, your article must be in easy language for better understanding. Third thing, the title of the article must be catchy and clearly understandable to the readers. Fourth one, paragraph splitation is very important. You must not talk about your life or yourself. The last thing, you should avoid using the points. So, article must be written in a paragraph wise. We should not write in a points. Thank you.